Hello, this is your girl, Evelyn Sophie, founder and CEO of Grow Wealth Easy LLC. Today, I have a very important message for all my business owners. If you're a business owner, you definitely want to listen to what I'm saying today and you want to share this video because what I'm going to say is going to save you a lot of money. So today I want to talk about bio, what is bio and why it's important that you know about it and what you should be doing about it. So first of all, what is bio? Bio is beneficial ownership information. So this is required by all business owners to report who is the direct beneficial or indirect ownership of the business. So it's just reporting the ownership of your business, those who own your business directly or indirectly. So there's a change that took place in 2024 about bio that you definitely want to know if you're a business owner. So what happened? So if you opened your business prior to 2024, you have till December 31st or January 1st of 2025 to be able to report your bio. Please don't wait till the last day. Reach out to an accountant or CPA to help you report your bio because if you don't do it on time, you're definitely going to be charged a fee, and the fee can be as high as $10,000. So be careful to make sure that you're doing your business correctly. So for those who opened their business or started their business in 2024, you only have 90 calendar days to be able to file your bio. So you only have 90 calendar days to file. This is a very short time if you're reaching out to a CPA to help you do that. So you want to do that as soon as possible. And then for those who are going to be opening their business in 2025, beginning on January 1st of 2025, you're only going to have 30 calendar days to file your bio. Technically, there's no fee to file your bio. I mean, you don't get to pay any taxes for filing your bio, but if you don't file your bio, you get to be charged a fee. So you want to definitely get in touch with a good CPA that will keep track of when you're supposed to be filing your taxes. If you know you have an LLC, partnership, scop, cop, there are dates that you need to file your taxes. You can go to our website, sophiecpaadvisory.com, and then check out the dates. We have it updated. I'm not going to give you any dates because those information change, but you definitely want to do that. If you also have someone that has any tax problem with the IRS, comprehensive tax resolution is your go-to. Go to comprehensivetaxresolution.com and reach out with any questions regarding tax resolution. We do represent people in front of the IRS. We help you slash your IRS bill significantly. Reach out to us and we will take care of you. I hope this information was very beneficial to someone. Please share this video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Evelyn Sophie. Join my business page, Grow Wealth Easy. And also follow me on YouTube, Evelyn Sophie. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.